Come with me, let's visit Camberwall Advantage 5 Annex.
Thank you, Mercy. My name is Engineer Isume. I'm actually the project manager for this particular project, Camberwall Advantage 5 Annex. And presently right now, the block setting on this particular floor is ongoing. And if you can look around you very well, the percentage of block work on this particular floor is approximately 50%. And by the end of this week, proceeding to the next upper week, we should be able to achieve almost 100% of block setting on this particular floor. The enforcement work for the fourth floor is already at 90%, and we are approaching to cast over the weekend. By this time next week, the casting of the fourth floor slab will be done, and the block setting on this particular floor will be at 90%. We have actually promised to give you a top-notch project, and in terms of quality and quality delivery. So our aim is to ensure that our clients are satisfied with the product that we are delivering. And as part of that also, the QA/QC department is actually working to ensure that we deliver a world-class project.
Now that was Engineer Isume. He has told us that the block setting is currently ongoing, the slab reinforcement for the fourth floor is ongoing, and they are preparing to cast.